Hi guys, back with another video. I hope you are all doing well. I have come up with one of the MBA course from Iim Mba For, which offers this course which is free of certification. But before then, I will strongly recommend to please subscribe to my channel. My aim of bringing these courses to you is to ensure that everyone is educated here, has some kind of skill set in order to earn their bread and butter. So please encourage me. If you please subscribe it to my channel, like this content and share with your friends, right? So it will make my channel grow the analytics part, and I will bring more such videos in the near future. So hope I will have your support, guys. Let's start this video really quick. As you can see, the program is well structured, and all you need is like good internet facility, and the mode of delivery of the program is online, and it has the length of the program is 6 weeks, and the medium of the language of medium when it is delivered is Hindi. So and the cost is it's free of cost, so nothing you have to pay a penny. So all you need to do is like enroll to this course as soon as possible before the link gets expired, and the timelines wherein the application start and end date is 5th of April 2022, and end date is 31st of May. So make sure you enroll to this course as soon as possible, and if at all you have anyone in you know in mind, right, in your friend circles, you please share this video so that they can get benefit from this hours as well. So as you can see, it asks the basic details, the email ID, and a few other date of birth details and a few other basic details. So you need to create an account in order to enroll this. After you create the account, it will have an OTP triggered to your email ID and mobile number. All it has, you need to, it asks for the OTP, and you need, once you enter the OTP here, you are good to go. The code structure is also well designed. Basics of entrepreneurship, business environment and economics, accounting and finance, managing self, people and organization, marketing management, operations management, business strategy. Lots of other subtopics are also covered here. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.